Hi everyone, this is Hassan and welcome to my channel. And today we are going to discuss this question for upcoming JEE main or even Neet or any other exam. Okay, which of the following is the most acidic one? Out of these four structure, you have to find out the most acidic one. And if you are a JEE or Neet aspirant, you should pause this video and try to find out your answer. And later on, I will explain, and you can match whether your answer is matching or not. Okay. And if you have any doubt, any queries, you want any help, you can write in this email hassanmahmadul2@gmail.com. Okay, I will help you out regarding organic, inorganic for JEE Main, JEE Advanced, Neet. Okay, I will help you out. Anyway, let's start. Which of the following is the most acidic one? Okay, now what is this? Phenol. Okay, this phenol is acidic? Yeah, it is acidic. Not very much, but yes, pK is around 10. It is acidic. What is this structure? Paramethyl phenol. Paramethyl phenol is what it is called? Cresol. Para-cresol. Para-cresol. Okay. And what is this? Metanitrophenol. Metanitrophenol. And this one? Paranitrophenol. Now, you should know GOC little bit, otherwise it will be very difficult for you to find out this type of question. Okay. You should have some idea from before, then you will get to know that mesomeric effect, inductive effect, hyperconjugation effect, all those you should know. Okay. See, everywhere phenol is there. What are the side group coming that you have to make it target? 1, 2, 3. Okay. First, in this nothing is there. This is the empty one. Leave it. Now come to here that if phenol is acidic and pK is around 10, whether any group is substituted which can show some effect, which can increase its acidity or not. Okay, that you have to see. Now you know that methyl group can show plus I, but since the phenol OH and this methyl position is opposite to each other, they are from four different carbon, four carbon away from each other, so this plus I is very negligible. Okay, but plus I is there definitely. But you should know that this methyl can show another effect that is called hyperconjugation, plus hyperconjugation, and due to that plus hyperconjugation, electron cloud will go towards upwards towards this oxygen, which we don't want. Okay, what is acidity? That you have to understand. If I am saying, I am explaining in details, it may take time, but it will make your concept clear. Let's write OH. Okay, this is phenol. Now, if I am telling that this molecule is acidic or not, how to define this molecule acidity and how to compare this molecule acidity with another one, because in exam you won't get data. Okay, data in the sense pK value, Ka value you won't get. Those are the values, experimental values, from where you can exactly tell that this molecule and another molecule how much is more acidic or less acidic, that you can tell very easily. I have said that this molecule pK value is around 10. Okay, ethanol, you know everyone, ethanol CH2OH, that is another molecule which pK is around 15.9. Some books they are writing 16, let's assume 16. Now in your NCERT you will get one line that phenol is 1 million times more acidic than the ethanol. Why they have given that? Because from experimental value, this is pK is 10, this is 16 minus 10, you will get 6. This 6 will go 10 to the power 6. So this one is acidic more than ethanol. How much more than ethanol? How much time more acidic? 10 to the power 6 times. That means 1 million times. Anyway, I am going in another concept, so better discuss here. So I was telling that this molecule is acidic or not. You don't have experimental value. How you will define? Now you have to remove acidic proton. Okay, the proton which is generally attached with heteroatom like oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, like that. Those you have to remove first. Okay, hydrogen you have to remove in the form of proton, and after that whatever conjugate base you are getting, that conjugate base stability you have to see. Now you can see here, these are carbon, hydrogen, you should not remove, you should remove oxygen, hydrogen. Once it is gone, you will get O minus, because that hydrogen gone in the form of proton. Now this O minus negative charge electron, what is this negative charge? What is electron? Electron is kind of cloud. Okay, it is a cloud. This electron cloud should be distributed throughout the molecule. That should be your target. Yes. Now if I draw, if I give here some electron withdrawing group here or ortho position, anywhere I am giving electron withdrawing group, then this negative charge will come out to this ring. It should not be sitting on the head of oxygen. It should be distributed. Okay, once it will distribute, then this molecule stability will increase, charge Okay, either it is positive charge or negative charge. Charge once deposited in one place, it create the instability. Okay, once charge is throughout the molecule distribute, then that create the stability. One charge is distribute among the equivalent form, like oxygen negative charge going to another oxygen negative, then that will create more stability compared to oxygen negative charge going to carbon negative charge. Okay, so now electron withdrawing group you have to give here so that you can pull this negative charge towards this whole ring. Now what is the electron withdrawing group you can use? You can use minus I, inductive effect, or what you can use? You can use minus M, mesomeric effect. Now you know one thing, this mesomeric effect is very more powerful than inductive effect. So if you have the opportunity to create give electron withdrawing group, you should first priority for strong minus M group. Okay, now you see here, this one plus I, this one plus H, both is opposite to what we want. We don't want plus I plus H, we want minus I minus H minus M. Okay, acidity directly proportional to minus I minus H minus M, or you can write minus around. Anyway, minus I minus H minus M, this we want. We don't want plus I plus H plus M, that is opposite. So this one is decreasing the acidity, it is not going to be increasing acidity. It is not, it cannot be possible. Okay, because compared to phenol this is less acidic, so it is not possible. Now come to here, this is nitro group, definitely it will going to show minus I, and strong minus I is there in nitro. Okay, NF3 plus, NR3 plus, NS3 plus, after that nitro is coming, so very strong. But little distance is there, metaposition no doubt, then still it should. But one thing you should know, this NO2 and this OH, they are meta of each other. Since they are meta of each other, they are not going to show minus M effect. Okay, even though nitro can show minus M effect, but this minus M effect is not going to affect this OH ring. Okay, OH group negative charge won't get any effect from this negative charge minus M effect of nitro. So you directly, no need to make you more confusion, directly you know one thing, that if any two group are meta of each other, they are not going to affect each other by mesomeric thing. Okay, resonance. Okay, so this one can show only one effect, that is minus I effect. There is no mesomeric effect, so gone. So this one is more acidic than phenol. Yes, it is more acidic, but still there is no mesomeric. We want mesomeric. Now again nitro in para, so definitely it has minus I. Due to distance, minus I will decrease. Compared to this minus I is little less, but it has minus M, which is very helpful and which we are wanting. Okay, we want minus M. So this, since it has minus M and which is very powerful, so this is the one, which one is the most acidic compared to phenol, that will have very more acidic. This is also can be your answer, this is also can be your answer. Now this is para-nitrophenol. Now I am giving you one homework, or yes, this is para-nitrophenol. I am giving you OH and NO2 here, orthonitrophenol. So you have to tell whether para-nitrophenol or orthonitrophenol, which one is more acidic, and you have to write the reason why which one is more acidic. Okay, that is your homework. You try to solve it. If you are not able to write, you don't know the answer, you write in comment section. I will explain in next video. Anyway, that's all. You can take the screenshot. Thank you for watching this video, and do share with your friend.